What's up, gang? Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, guys. And if I didn't subscribe, thank you, guys. Okay, guys, I'm going to withdraw from Cash Alarm app, guys. As you can see, guys, I have 2,000 coins, guys. Okay, let's go to payouts. Okay, as you can see, guys, I'll be withdrawing the first option of PayPal, guys. Okay. Okay, loading. I have to log in, guys, with my PayPal so that I'll be able to withdraw my money. Okay, guys, I've put in my password now. I'm going to log in. Okay, as you can see, payout in progress, guys. Okay. Now, as you can see, guys, I've just withdrawn my money, guys. Okay, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. And now when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight. What a time to be alive, just you and I.